point in this Mahabharata battle. There is a perfect precision of, of regulations, laws. The precision is Nakula is in a position to kill Dushasan, but he will not do that. Similarly, Arjuna is in a position to kill many of the Kauravas, but he will not. So, subtle meaning behind the precision of law. The illustration is 3SSSS. When you deal with any negative quality, say for example anger, first stage is hold back, procrastinate in your angry plot, more procrastination, better. Then substitute. Anger is going to be removed by kshama, forgiveness, spiritual patience. It will not be removed by any other quality. So don't fight with your anger in a wrong way. Bring that energy of forgiveness and then wait and watch sublimate. So while you talk about this in abstract way, the same is brought into practical cartoon type of display